Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to see how to download Visual Studio Code. So let's open your browser and type Visual Studio Code. The first link you can see https code.visualstudio.com. So you can click here and you can see the button for download for Windows, and there's a lot of options for Mac OS and Windows 64 and Linux 64. So I am going with download for Windows. So here it's asking for a location to download. So let's wait for download. So right click in the exe file and give run as administrator. Click OK and accept the agreement. Click next, and this is my default location. If you want to change the location, you can change. Click the next and install. Click finish and launch.